Hey, Beautyistic fam! So let me start by asking you this. Do you often struggle with getting those hard-to-reach spots between your teeth? You know, those tricky areas where regular brushing just doesn't seem to do the trick? Well, what if I told you there's a simple, portable solution to that? Today, we're talking about the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, a game changer when it comes to interdental cleaning. If you're someone with braces or dental appliances, or just want a deeper clean between your teeth, this could be exactly what you've been searching for. But is it really as effective as it sounds? Let's get into it. And hey, if you're loving the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our honest reviews. Now, on to the details. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens come in a bundle that includes 4 packs, each containing 10 brushes of varying sizes: tight, moderate, and ultra tight. These little interdental brushes are designed to get between your teeth and remove plaque that regular brushing can't reach. It's an alternative to flossing, and if you've got tight teeth or dental appliances like braces, this product might just be your new best friend. The brushes feature soft, nylon-coated bristles that are gentle yet effective at scrubbing away plaque and debris without causing discomfort. So, how do they perform? Let me tell you, I found them incredibly easy to use. The compact design fits perfectly in your hand, and the brushes are small enough to maneuver around even the tightest spaces between my teeth. I've tried various flossing tools before, and honestly, nothing has been as effective or as easy to use as these GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens. Whether I was using the tight brush for those narrower spaces or the moderate brush for more standard gaps, they slid between my teeth with minimal effort. Plus, the protective cap makes them super portable, perfect for keeping in my purse or travel bag. In terms of comfort, the nylon-coated wire makes sure that there's no risk of scratching or causing any discomfort, especially around braces. And if you have braces, implants, or any dental appliances, these brushes are specifically designed with that in mind. The bristles are treated with a hygienic solution that ensures up to 10 days of clean use. So, no need to worry about carrying around extra brushes. But let's talk about the cons. The brushes are small, so it takes a little time to clean all the gaps between your teeth if you're using them for a full mouth clean. For some, this might feel like a bit of extra effort compared to traditional flossing or electric flossers. But honestly, I wouldn't consider it a deal breaker, especially considering the level of cleanliness you get in return. Now, is this worth the money? For me, absolutely. If you struggle with traditional flossing or have tight teeth or braces, this product is a must-try. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the value it provides for oral hygiene, especially for those with specific needs, makes it worth the investment. Plus, it's reusable, and with proper care, each brush lasts up to 10 days. You can't really argue with that. And if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are other interdental brushes out there, but from my experience, they don't quite stack up in terms of ease of use and effectiveness. GUM really does have a reputation for crafting high-quality oral care products that deliver. In terms of customer service, I've heard nothing but good things about GUM's customer support. They're known to be responsive and helpful should you run into any issues with the product. So what's the verdict? The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are a great investment for anyone who wants to make interdental cleaning easier and more efficient. They're especially perfect for those with tight teeth or dental appliances. If you're serious about maintaining your oral health and achieving that fresh, deep clean between your teeth, I would definitely recommend giving these a try. Thank you for watching. If you've tried these or any other interdental brushes, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below, and remember, the link to purchase these is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.